Myself, Diana Xavier, Department of Commerce, St. Albert's College, Autonomous. Today I am going to deal with the topic least cost entry method in transportation. In my last video, I already discussed about Northwest Corner method. It is the first method for finding initial feasible solution in transportation problem. Least cost entry method is the second method for finding the initial feasible solution in transportation problem. In least cost entry method, we start our allocation. We start our allocation from the cell which is lowest cost. But in northwest corner method, we start our allocation from the northwest corner. Okay, so this is the difference between northwest corner and least cost entry method. So here we start our allocation from the cell which is least cost. Okay, so then this method takes into consideration the lowest cost and therefore takes less time to solve the problem. Okay, so these are the steps to solve the problem. So here is a problem. This is the same problem we discussed in northwest corner method. So first we have to check it is balanced or not, right? So we have the total of supply is 65 here and demand is 65 here and supply is also 65. So this is the problem is balanced problem. Okay, then the first step is to select the cell which is lowest cost. So this is the matrix. Here is the matrix here. So we have to select the cell which is lowest cost. So this is the cell which is lowest cost. So we have to start our allocation from here. Here is an example. The same problem is discussed in the last class for solving northwest corner method. So first step is to check whether it is balanced or not, right? So here the total of demand is 65 and supply is also 65. So this is the balanced problem. Then for solving least cost, for solving a problem under least cost entry method, we have to select the cell which is which cost is lowest. So this is the matrix here. So we have to select the cell which the cost is lowest. So here this is the cell which the cost is less. So 3 is the least cost from the matrix. So we have to select this cell. Then we have to compare the demand and supply. The demand is 19 and supply is 28. So we have to compare the demand and select the quantity, select the demand or supply quantity which is least. So 19 is least, so 19 is to be allocated here. Okay, then next step is to adjust the demand and supply. The demand will become 19 is allocated here, so 19 will become 0. Okay, then 28 will become 9. Okay, then next step is to eliminate the row or column having 0. So here is 0, so we have to eliminate the column, entire column having 0. So in this way we have to allocate the quantity of demand and supply which is till the demand and supply is completely exhausted. Okay, final matrix after allocation, after making all allocations is like this. Okay, then here then it will, so final allocations is like this. Then we have to check whether the basic feasible solution is satisfied. So m plus n minus 1 is equal to, there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So m plus n minus 1 is equal to 3 plus 3 minus 1, that is 5. The allocation is also 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So allocation is also 5. So this problem satisfies the basic feasible solution. Then the transportation cost will be, we have to multiply with the cost and the quantity. Cost and quantity, sum of 6 into 20 plus 5 into 4 plus 7 into 5, then 3 into 19, then 4 into 60. Then last, the total of the total cost will be 300 for the problem. Next is maximization using lowest cost entry method. Maximization means here the matrix will be payoff matrix. Okay, the matrix will be payoff matrix, that is profit is included in the matrix. So we have to for solving this type of problem, we have to convert the problem into minimization problem. For converting purpose, we have to select the largest element and subtract that element from the all the remaining elements in that matrix. Okay, here the largest element is 95 and we have to subtract all the element from the 95, including itself. Okay, then we got a matrix like this. This is called minimization matrix. Okay, this is the way we convert minimization matrix into maximization matrix into minimization matrix. Then we can use any method for solving this type of problem. Okay. So transportation problem is categorized into two: minimization problem and maximization problem. So in minimization problem, the transportation matrix will be a cost matrix, and cost is to be minimized. Transportation cost is to be minimized. Then in maximization problem, it will be a payoff matrix, that is profit is to be maximized. The matrix given is to be will be a profit matrix, and we have to maximize the profit. Okay, then to solve the problem, we convert the problem into minimization. For solving that maximization problem, we have to convert that problem into minimization. Then for the conversion, I already said select the largest element from that matrix and subtract that element from all the remaining elements, including itself. Okay, then we will follow any type of method for solving such type of problem. It may be northwest corner method or least cost entry method or Vogel's approximation method. These all are about least cost entry method. I hope all you understand. Thank you.